Hello and welcome back to possibly the last video in our XYZ Mesh series. The reason why I say possibly is I think this is going to be the last one, but in case I forget a feature, well, the playlist will have another video on it. But what I'm going to go over today is the information window. So if we go over to the graph, we can hit display and go to information window. This information window will come up and it'll give you information about the data points that you have available to you. Now the first set you're going to see is a maximum and minimum value for the Z and the corresponding XYZ coordinates for those. Now this will give you information for both the converted data as well as the input data. Next down, you see the volume calculation, which will give you a calculation of a volume based on the lowest point in the graph being the bottom or the base level, while the highest point in the graph will be the maximum or the top level. That will give you information based on this calculation to give you a volume of 301.8 for this mesh data that we have available. The final options down here are information for the slope data, and the slope data will only be available to you if you use the distance calculator. So let's drop down here to the distance calculator. If we click distance calculator, you can see that it now changes color and it says select the first point. So you come up here to your graph and you click on your first point, which is right there. As you can see, we now have the first point selected, and then it changes color and it says select your second point. So at this point we can select our second point, which is going to be here. We have to make sure our mouse is directly on it, and we now have a line drawn from point A to point B. And if we scroll down to this slope, you can see that there is a starting distance of point 1 being that, point 2 being that, and the distance between those is X, Y, and Z. You also have a slope, which is calculated right there. Hi, I'm Kyle, owner and operator of Great Technical. Thank you all so much for making it at this point in the video, and if you are here, go ahead, like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us out a lot, and it lets me know that the content I'm making is stuff that you all like to see. Go ahead, leave us a comment as well. Let me know if there's anything that you would like to see in the future, or if you have any future updates that you would like to have included in our products in the future. I would also like to say that being a company owner, I am very proud to be able to support businesses and students. I am also extremely proud to be able to support content creators. So if you have a content platform, you make videos, or if you have a blog and you would like to reuse some of our content, or if you would like to review some of our products, go ahead and send me an email. My email is right here, support@greattechnical.com. Get in contact with me. We can see what we can get worked out. And until next time, thank you all very much. Have a great rest of your day.